And welcome back to the Techy channel. So today in this session we are trying to learn how we can generate the certificate. So this is one of the thing which we are doing in real time. So there we have a lot of parameters we are passing and we're doing some lot of the steps. But here we are going to with a very small things. So this is my certificate template. So I don't want to do any changes on this one and I need to save that certificate into the PDF. So this is the actual things. So first we need to open this particular PDF, and inside PDF you can see this some stuff is there. So already here are some of the predefined are there and some of the themes which we need to design. So as of now here I'm targeting only the name, and we have the another one is which you call the date. So the name should be replaced with the whatever the actual name, and the date should be replaced with the another date. Whatever date you want you can do that. So only the thing is read this data and change, make the changes on it here and save that file in the format of PDF. So this is the agenda of this, and now we'll go back to the Power Automate. So here first the thing is we need to use the word activities. So when you click on the word, so you can see this launch word. So I'm using the path. So let me update the path. I'm using the file from the local. So I'm just taking this particular path and I will update here, and post that I will remove this double quotes. Now this is completed. Just click on that save. And after this, once you open that, basically we need to close this as well. So I'm using this close word activate. So while closing, it will ask two things. So whether should you save the document or should not save the document. As of now, I will go with the save document as well. So save document as, and it's asking the path. So here what I'm doing at the end of the extension, I will make it as a PDF because I need to save this one. And here you can, if you want, you can modify that like a variable, and you can generate with the variable name. So for example, if you have Techy stack, so you can pass this variable here, you can do that one. So as of now, I'm going with the certificate template itself. Okay, now these two things is done. The next, if I want to change this name, so just copy this name, and we have the one more activity which we called find and replace the words in the document. Just click on drag and drop and what I want to find. So this is my data I want to find and replace with Techy stack. I will make it as one because already downside we have the Techy stack. So just I will, the name is Techy stack one. And next where I want to change this date. Just copy this date and click on that save, and inside you can see this where I want to match whole word only. So just enable this one, and next I need drag and drop one more the thing. The second thing I need to change replace with the date. So I'm going the same random date 12 28 27 or 26 whatever you want, you can do that and just click on that save. Now when I run this four step, the coding has been completed. So now when I run these four steps, so whatever we have this data, with this word document, it will directly convert it to the PDF. I'm just closing this document and I will delete this document template as well, create template PDF. Now I'm back to the studio. Let's go back and run from this here, and it will take just a couple of seconds to generate it. Now document has been opened and update the data, and it has closed and execution has been completed. Just go back to this folder and we can see this create template is there. I'm opening this one. Once I open, I can see this. This is the thing, Techy stack one. I change the date as well. When I go to my template, so here there is no changes on my template because I'm not saving anything. I'm just replacing of that without disturbing anything on this particular template. So just I'm modifying the name and the date. So this is one of the real-time project which has a lot of conditions are there, but this is I taken here just a sample of it. If you want to see that in detail more the stuff here, so just post your comments on the comment section, like explore on it. So I will try to do video as well. And still if you have any doubts on the particular topic, so post your comments on the comment section and try to subscribe Techy channel, and thanks for watching.